Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to start your Volkswagen Passat even with a dead key fob. Don't panic if your remote isn't working. There's an easy emergency method. You just need to know where to place the fob and how to initiate the start sequence. This simple trick will get you back on the road quickly, so you can address the dead battery later. Let's get your Passat running again. Once you've located the key fob slot, typically near the steering column or in the center console, insert your dead fob firmly. The car's immobilizer system will then read the embedded chip, bypassing the need for remote function. With the fob in place, press the start button as you normally would. Hold it for a few seconds if necessary, and your Passat should spring to life. It's a clever workaround for a common problem. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially on the go. Check out the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. If your Passat doesn't start immediately, ensure the key fob is fully seated in its designated slot. Sometimes, a weak car battery can also prevent starting, so check your battery terminals for corrosion. You might also try holding the fob against the start button itself if no slot is apparent. Remember, this method relies on the fob's internal chip, not its remote functions, so a dead remote battery is fine. After successfully starting your Passat, drive directly to a service center or an auto parts store. Your next step should be to replace the small battery inside your key fob, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell. It's also a good idea to consider getting a spare key made, just in case this happens again. Being prepared saves you time and stress in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.